Hey there, ambitious hustlers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve your financial goals. If you're ready to level up your income and unlock financial freedom, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we'll reveal 7 lucrative side hustles that have the potential to earn you a whopping $10,000 a month. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because you won't want to miss out on these money-making opportunities. Let's jump right in. Our first side hustle involves tapping into your skills and expertise to offer freelance services in high-demand fields. From graphic design to writing, coding to digital marketing, we'll explore how to leverage your talents and find clients willing to pay top dollar for your specialized skills. Ever thought of sharing your knowledge with the world and making money in the process? In this segment, we'll explore the booming world of online education. We'll discuss how to create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera, and attract students eager to learn from your expertise. Ready to dip your toes into the world of online retail? E-commerce and dropshipping offer incredible opportunities to generate substantial income. We'll dive into this side hustle, discussing how to set up an online store, source products, and drive traffic to your website to make those sales skyrocket. Have a knack for creating engaging content and building a loyal following on social media? It's time to turn your passion into profit. In this segment, we'll explore how to become a social media influencer and collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, endorsements, and brand partnerships that can bring in substantial income. Looking to leverage the power of real estate to boost your income? Rental property investing and listing properties on Airbnb can be a game changer. We'll discuss how to identify profitable rental opportunities, manage properties effectively, and maximize your returns with short-term rentals. Ready to dive into the exciting world of stocks and investments? We'll explore stock market trading and long-term investing strategies that have the potential to generate significant returns. From day trading to dividend investing, we'll discuss how to navigate the stock market and build a profitable portfolio. Last but not least, we can't forget the incredible potential of creating content on YouTube or through blogging. In this segment, we'll discuss how to grow your audience, monetize your channel or blog through ads and sponsorships, and generate substantial income from your creative endeavors. There you have it, ambitious hustlers, 7 side hustles with the potential to earn you a remarkable $10,000 a month. Whether you choose freelancing, online courses, e-commerce, social media influencing, rental property investing, stock market trading, or content creation, remember that success requires dedication, persistence, and a commitment to delivering value. So, pick a side hustle that aligns with your skills and passions, and get ready to embark on an exciting journey toward financial freedom.